Now what you are hearing is a beat from a wonderful song. Now you are not hearing the song because I only enhance the background beat. Alright, so I will show you how you can enhance just the background. If you like a beat from a song, you can use it to extract a beat and you have the beat. Most of you like this beat that I posted on my platform. So I will show you in a way where you can only extract a beat. And if you want to go into voicing, you just need a voice. Now this same song, let me play just the voice alone. Hear the voice. Alright, so that is the voice. Now let me make both the voice and the sound, the extracted sound or the beat now and the voice. Hear how the collab will look like. Alright, so today I'll be showing you how you can generate your own beat. If a beat is up to 30 minutes, 1 hour, you can just extract the beat if you like the beat alone. Somebody, you know, especially here in Africa, we are so much in love with beats. Once you hear beat, boom, 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 it happen, all those kinds of things, we like beats. Okay, so if you are interested in beat, I will show you how you can extract a beat from any music. You don't need special app. Like some app now, they have limitation. This one doesn't have limitation. You can go as far as you can. And if you're interested in the voice, the song, you just want to, maybe you want to score the, the lyrics, or you want to hear how the vocal sound, you can also extract the voice. And if you're interested in both, fine and good. I will show you how you can generate this kind of beat with this app. All right, so quickly let's dive in. Let me show you how you can generate with your InShot. Yes, InShot. Let's go, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any question, drop it on my comment section and I will answer every question that you ask. Thank you, guys. Let's go. All right, so you go to your InShot. If you don't have InShot, you download it from your Play Store. Then you select the video that's or the music you want to enhance, whether you want to enhance the voice or you want to enhance the background. Okay, here's the song, for example. Listen to the beats. Okay, so you look for voice enhancer. Okay, if you see voice enhance now we have different one. We have the background only. Here you can hear the background, only the background will play. So if you want to extract your beats, this is good for you. Then you can slightly increase it if you want the beat and the song. You want the beat to overshadow the voice. So the beat is too loud. You want, maybe you're an instrumentalist, you need this. Then slightly again. You can see the way I'm arranging it. Okay, now let's move it to the voice. Now you can see the one for background only and voice only. Now let's go to the voice only now. Slightly. Here you hear more of the voice and less of the background. Okay, let's increase it again. Okay, now this is strong. Now the voice is a bit stronger than the background. This is where the vocal comes louder than the background. Okay, then let's try that of the voice now and see how it goes. You can see. So this is InShot, then this is the voice. Now here you only hear the voice, nothing more, just the voice. For those that want to go into vocal training, this is good for you. Okay, then also if you want to mute a background noise, you're in the market, you're talking, you want the background noise, you can use it. Maybe your machine is disturbing at the background, you can use this app. This is just lovely. It reduces noise, it mutes unwanted noise. It's so lovely, and you can see. So it isolates voices, and if you want the background alone, it isolates it. So you can use it to generate your loop. If you have a music loop that you like in a music, just remove the voice and activate only the background only, and you're good to go. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video.
just like I said, if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. And if you like this video, please do well to share with friends, and you can drop your comments. Bye. Thank you.